Good evening. This is a video about Marduk's wobbly shin that broke in during the last test video. You can see that I've kind of fixed it. I mean, I've got a double stud set up like I do for that leg or ankle, and hopefully that will keep them the beams from bending into actually folding up on either side like a fajita or something. Because here is the old beam, and you can see it's got a big crack running down the middle, and that is not good. You can kind of see right there it started to fold up, and that's not a good thing. But those double beam setup should work out nicely. So, and the linear actuator's all connected, so the only thing I got to do is put the shin back on and it will be ready for another test drive, but not tonight. If it still has some issues, I think the issue would then be because you can see how tilted this ankle is. It kind of tilts to this side. So what I'd have to do is rebuild this stud right here with some extra wood that I have from this project doing the ankle. Hopefully I won't have to do that. I can at least get a few good test runs in before it breaks again. You know, get some nice promotional stuff. So, I'm gonna put on the shin and call it a night. And tomorrow it's going to be rainy, so probably I will be filming this the day after, but in YouTube time it will probably be the next video, I guess. And there's Jed McStud looking all mysterious over there. So, if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.